In this video, we'll show you 5 measuring tape tips and tricks you need to know. Nail notch. On the front of nearly all measuring tapes, you'll find a small hole at the end of the metal tab. That hole is used to hook the measuring tape onto a nail or screw. It makes measuring larger surfaces easier by simply adding a screw to the surface to hook the measuring tape in place. Scribing tool. You may have noticed the end tab of your measuring tape has a slightly sharper or serrated edge. That's to help you easily mark your work surface if you don't have any marking tools handy. Simply scrape or press down on the tab to make a little mark. Case length. Having a hard time taking measurements between a space? You'll notice on the back of your measuring tape there's a number. This is the total length of the casing itself. Measure the entire area with the tape measure flush against the corner, then simply add the case length to your measurement. Find the center. Trying to find a center of a board but it's not an even number? Simply slide one side of your tape measure to the next even number, then mark off the center. Need 3 sections? Simply slide the tape measure to a number easily divisible by 3. Now you got 3 even columns. Make circles. Easily make perfect circle markings with your measuring tape and a nail. Simply lock in the radius size on your tape measure. Brace the case end with the nail. Take your marking tool and hold it against the hook tab and drag around. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.